What is that? Jake, you see it? Open it up. There you go. What is that? Is that a Christmas present from Grandma and Grandpa Pies? Yeah. Look, right here. Right here. There you go. What is that? Here, look. There. Come on, tear it up. Right here. There you go. What you doing? What else? Look right there. Yay! Give to mommy. Give to mommy. Give to mommy. Good boy. Give to mommy. Give to mommy. No, give to mommy. Give me the paper. Give me paper. Give me paper. You silly goose. What you got there? Thank you. Okay, on to the next one.